Today in the Roddy's Kitchen, we are going to make my favorite go-to rub. Here's the recipe. Write it down quick. All right, so smoked paprika, cumin, black pepper, granulated onion, granulated garlic, ginger powder, and kosher salt, which I forgot. Leave it. There we go. All right, not too heavy on the salt, if at all. If you want to use it as a rub for pretty much everything, ribs, pork shoulder, chicken, fish. Yeah, I like it on everything. Smoked paprika, #1. If you want to make it spicy, you can add red pepper. You can add any ground pepper. You can add jalapeno powder. You can add chipotle ground. There is ground chipotle pepper like this. Nice spice. And there you have it. As always, leave some comments, like, subscribe. See you next time.